go have a couple. All right.
After finding a woman asleep behind the wheel outside a bar, officers quickly noticed signs that she may have been impaired. What followed was a DUI investigation that ended with a 4th DUI arrest and another serious charge.
Open the door.
41,
Hey there.
Hey.
What you doing?
Florida, Robert Queen Mary, Ida,
Sleeping?
16.
You got your driver's license on you?
Split on a.
Can you hand it to me? I need your driver's license, please, ma'am. Driver's license, please, ma'am.
Where are you coming from?
Do you know where your driver's license is at?
Shit. I'm so sorry.
There we go.
Man.
That's your name? Can you step out here for me, please?
Yeah, it's gonna be Lisa Marie Leathers.
10-4.
Oh, you peed in the seat.
No. I haven't.
You did. Look,
No, I didn't.
what is
Okay.
that?
Well, we can figure that out later.
No, you don't need your phone. Leave your phone. Leave your phone and stuff in here, Lisa. Hey,
Oh.
leave your phone and stuff right here. Just leave it up here somewhere. All right, go have a couple.
All right.
Yeah.
Yes.
You okay?
Yes.
Are you able to stand on your own?
Yes.
Okay. I want you to go to the end of this white line here. Go grab a pair.
I'm unable to perform. Get him up my pocket. Lisa, where did you come from? Whiskey's? Could have been far. Cause
Come from a friend's house? Yeah? Okay. I'm going to check your eyes. I want you to stand with your feet together and your arms down by your side for me, okay? All right, I want you to look at the tip of my finger. With your eyes and your eyes only. Try not to move your head for me, okay? Harmon, catch the side here. Do you see my finger? Try not to move your head. All right. Are you wearing contacts?
Yes.
Yes. Are they for close-sightedness or far-sighted?
Yes, I did.
Nearsighted? All right. Place your left foot on the line for me. Place the right heel. Please, excuse me. Put your right heel against the toe of your left foot. There you go. Place your arms at your sides. Oh, okay.
I don't want to.
You don't want to do it? You want to try again?
What are my rights? I need to.
I'm trying to figure out if you're safe to operate a motor vehicle. There's no reason to read you your rights.
No, could I have my mom?
No, ma'am. Are you refusing to perform these exercises?
Could I have my mom?
Can you have a mom?
I have a mom.
You have a mom.
Could I have a mom?
No, ma'am. Are you refusing to perform these exercises?
Can I have my mom?
No, ma'am. You're being placed under arrest for DUI.
walk that way. Hey. Walk this way, okay?
6-1
Probably gonna be told if there's a way to start.
Like you're not taking complicity in
I need you to get in there, have a seat, all right? All your belongings will go with you. I'll bring your phone and wallet or whatever. I know, awesome. Yes.
Can you please call him?
Who is that to you?
That is my fucking brother.
That's your brother?
Yes, son.
Okay. All right. Scoot back.
Please call his son.
You need to scoot back.
Please
Get
call
in.
his son.
Hey,
We
get
will.
Get
Get in
inside. You gotta get inside, no matter what.
She identified herself as Lisa and admitted she had come from a nearby bar. As she stepped out of the vehicle, officers noticed she appeared unsteady and confused. During the conversation, she repeatedly asked to call her mother instead of answering questions. The officer then began a DUI investigation to determine whether she was safe to drive. He first checked her eyes before asking her to perform standard field sobriety exercises. Almost immediately, Lisa refused to continue. Instead of attempting the test, she kept asking about her rights and again requested to call her mother. After giving her multiple chances to cooperate, the officer determined there was enough evidence to place her under arrest for driving under the influence. While being escorted to the patrol car, Lisa remained cooperative, but continued asking officers to contact someone she knew in law enforcement. She also repeatedly asked for her phone.
So
Yeah, I can tell.
Chair.
Go ahead. Tip, where each copy that. Go to the store. Up in here. I can see that blue chair or black chair in the corner. If you would log observation start at 118. 61. Yeah.
3 DUIs.
3 previous convictions.
I don't see convictions under them, but there is 3 from 3 different years.
Okay.
Her cage is not that long, just those.
Okay. Thank you. You're gonna be cool? Are you gonna be chill?
Obviously, I'm not gonna be a crazy person.
Well, I don't know. You don't know me. For my own safety.
So, officer,
Yep.
do you have my phone?
Yep. And your keys.
Am I allowed to call my mom?
After we get done here. Open your mouth for me so I can make sure that you don't have anything in there like bubble gum.
Oh, yeah.
Lift your tongue down the other way. Okay.
Oh, yeah. Did you arrest me?
Yep.
I'm not gonna let me have my phone.
Not in this room. I am now requesting that you submit to a lawful test of your breath for the purpose of determining its alcohol content. Will you take this test?
No.
Okay. If you do not provide a breath sample, you're going to get another charge. So you will get 2 charges.
I refuse this.
Okay. Once this time runs out, I will afford you one last opportunity. If you choose not to, that's totally up to you. But if you decide to, you're more than welcome to.
Sorry.
We get 8 minutes. Don't hit that.
Okay.
Because you were sleeping,
I was leaving.
you were leaving. You were going the wrong way to leave.
But do you have a heart?
I do have a heart, just not for people who are dangerous on the road.
Didn't I match on you on Tinder? Like, please stop. Like, let's actually, like, listen
Did
to
you
me.
match with me on Tinder? No, I'm married and I haven't had Tinder, so. You want me to go on?
No, why would I?
You don't want to?
Why would I do that?
Alright, you're getting an extra charge.
An extra charge?
Yep. So I have plenty of opportunity, you get another charge.
What?
Yep. For refusing to submit to lawful test of your breath.
I didn't know that.
I explained it to you and you said no, so.
You did. Oh, there was another paper.
Yeah, this is to suspend your license for your 4th DUI. Stand up.
You're gonna.
Stand up, or I'm going to assist you up. Stand up. Can you come to the holding cells, please?
I can have my phone.
Yeah, and once we get outside, I've got some stuff I gotta do. Because you peed on your clothes and in your car, I've gotta wipe everything down in there now.
Don't mind me.
61 Panel Beach. That female will be 1015 for signal 1, signal 18. She'll also be 1015 for refusal. All right, stand up. Stand up.
No,
Yes.
I'm not gonna do that.
Stand up.
We're actually not gonna do that. Oh my god.
All right, you're gonna stand up
What's wrong with
and
you?
stay right there.
What is wrong with you?
Now let's walk.
You said I could get my phone.
Yeah, which is in my car outside. Step up.
At the police station, officers explained the state's implied consent law and requested a breath sample. They clearly warned her that refusing the test would result in an additional criminal charge. Despite being given several opportunities and enough time to decide, Lisa refused to provide a breath sample. During the conversation, she attempted to persuade the officer to let her go, even asking if he had a heart. The officer calmly replied that his concern was protecting other people on the road from impaired drivers. As processing continued, officers informed Lisa that this was being treated as her 4th DUI offense. They also explained that refusing the breath test would bring another charge. Lisa was charged with felony DUI, 4th offense, and refusal to submit to a breath test. A 4th DUI is treated much more seriously than a first offense because repeat impaired driving greatly increases the risk to the public. Depending on the state, a 4th DUI can be charged as a felony, carrying the possibility of significant jail time, long-term license suspension, heavy fines, mandatory alcohol treatment, and other court-ordered conditions. She was also charged with refusing a breath test. Under implied consent laws, anyone who chooses to drive on public roads agrees to chemical testing if lawfully requested by police. Refusing that test can lead to separate criminal or administrative penalties, including additional fines and driver's license consequences. Following her arrest, Lisa was released on a $20,000 bond, with conditions that included no alcohol use and random drug testing while awaiting trial. She later pleaded not guilty and requested a jury trial. At the time of this report, the case remains pending in court.